Marseillais Chess, how to play. The rules are the same as regular chess except for these changes. For a refresher of those rules, check out this video. Except for white's first turn, each player moves twice on their turn. You can either move one piece twice or two pieces once. Castling is considered one move. When a player gives check on their first move, their turn ends immediately and they lose their second move. If you are in check, you must get out of check on your first move. Kings may not move into check. You are not allowed to move a king into check on your first move, then out of check on the second. A pawn promoted on your first move is allowed to move again on your second unless that promoted piece checked your opponent's king. En passant is allowed even if your opponent moved the pawn on their first move. To do en passant, you must use your first move. If two pawns qualify for en passant, then you may use both moves to perform it. The first player to checkmate their opponent wins.